IShining Star SS6001-N95
style.
CDC
Certified
NIOSH
by
approved.
CDC
Safe
NIOSH
and
and other
reliable.
certifications. It's safe and reliable to wear to get protection. Shinning Star has professional AI manufacture process to make better stitching and quality control. Reliable electrostatic filter, better process flow to make masks better, so it can get a good coverage and filtration effects. It has a bit larger size to cover your face. Special 3D cut and sturdy metal strip on the bridge of the nose. The metal clip is hidden to protect skin. Shinning Star committed to providing standardized and quality N95 masks. N95 in stock has a good licensing relationship with Shinning Star. Choose the best products for you. Guarantee they are genuine with primary source and fresh date. And also can do large quantities wholesale, OEM logo printing and personalized service.